Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks for stopping by today. I've got a CB Money Vine quick message video that I want to share with you. Now I've got about a minute to get this done, so stay with me for the next minute, okay? Thanks. Okay, now I've decided to start all of my future videos with an inspirational thought or motivational thought, okay? And here's one for you today. If you want something you've never had, then you've got to do something you have never done. Now take a few moments to think about something that you can do, something that you've never done before, so that you can get what you've never had. Well, we're introducing the CB Money Vine system, okay? And the CB Money Vine system is being called the perfect online income system. Now imagine a system built to pay you autopilot commissions month after month. Now the system is 100% free, okay? And it is a system that requires zero selling. It's a system that's perfect, not only for beginners, but pros alike, and a system that you can scale to 4+ figures every single week. This is absolutely incredible. I encourage you to get started. Now, if all of that sounds too good to be true, guess what? It's not. Simply grab the link in the description area of this video. Also check out the bonus links as well. They're powerful. You've got to see everything, okay? So grab those links. Get started today. I'm Terry Brown wishing you a tremendously, powerfully blessed day today. Bye-bye now.